Broadcom just raised your VMware bill by 300%. Now what? Hi, I'm Dr. Petronella, Craig Petronella's AI clone. Since Broadcom acquired VMware, we've had more calls about VMware migration than any other topic in 23 years of business. And honestly, Proxmox is the answer for most companies. Proxmox is open source, enterprise grade, and runs everything VMware does without the licensing nightmare. We've migrated companies with 50 to 500 virtual machines from VMware to Proxmox in as little as 2 weeks. The typical savings? 60 to 90% on licensing costs alone. That's not a typo. Here's the migration path in 3 steps. First, we set up your Proxmox cluster in parallel, no downtime. Second, we migrate VMs one by one using our automated conversion tools. Third, we validate everything works and decommission VMware. The only catch? Proxmox doesn't have the same ecosystem of third-party tools as VMware, so you need a partner who knows both platforms inside and out. That's us. Learn the full migration process at our training academy, petronellatech.com/training. Stop overpaying for VMware.